Hello my lovely juniors, this is Ashok and welcome to my YouTube channel. Previously we have learned about the small scale industries, right? So in this video we are going to learn about the medium scale industries. Okay. So first we will see what is mean by medium scale industries. Okay. First one, capital investment will be greater than 10 crores. There we were having in small scale industries, it will be less than 5 crores. Okay. Here it is greater than 10 crores. Contains heavy or medium machineries and nominal production. It means like more than the production of the small scale industries. Okay. And then more than 100 employees will be there. And sufficient area is required to build these industries. And then characteristics of medium scale industries. What are the characters we will see. So here risk is more because investment is more. And then salary of the employees will be good because their production will be in higher rate and their capital investment and their income also more. And then bonus will be available for employees in the yearly basis or quarter basis. And then enough customers for their production range. They have the good customers and the medium capital. Their investment will be like more than the small scale industries. And then now we will see the examples of medium scale industries. Okay. Furniture industries, ceramic industries, ceramic in the sense the tiles kind of thing, whatever we use in our home, sink, commode, that kind of thing. And then LED light manufacturing, agrochemicals, these are the pesticides which we use in farms and all. And then cement production, I think I cannot come back in this slide. Okay. And then wine production, rubber products, fabrication industries, it means like textile you can say. Okay. And then solar industries and lubrication industries. So like this there are so many medium scale industries are there, and if you know any medium scale industry based on this video, please do comment, like and also subscribe so that you will get all the information about this course at the free of cost. Okay, we'll meet in the next video, that is part 4. We are discussing about the large scale industry. So till then, see you. Bye bye.